Yeah, so now as you can see, the market is just opened and I'm here to share my daily plan with you based on one or two because the market is now going crazy based on what Trump is doing here and there. So now let me just cut everything short and go straight to the chat. Now we are seeing a whole lot of things here and most of them are not common to you guys. So let me briefly break it down and let everybody understand the whole thing that I mean. During the week too, I shared a certain plan for us to follow. Unfortunately, the first plan did not work well, so I sent a message in the main channel telling my guys to avoid buying the market so that we could hold. So yesterday too, I gave out a plan about what to happen is likely to happen, and at the same time, today is not trading advice. Yeah, it's now clearly saying just sharing our thought what is likely to happen. Yeah. So now let me just start saying everything. Now, as you can see here, you can see the higher time frame is still bullish at the moment. So now we can't do anything in order. You could see that first thing of all, you could see the fib level, the number of fib one on the fib level, which was at 2974, held price in money in order to push price back up. And at the same time, too, if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you could see that the same entry was a strategy. I normally there are a whole lot of strategies and a whole lot of concepts that a whole lot of people do. But I don't just do everything. I just do simple things to keep me going. So now, if we should drill into 4 hour, yeah, then here is where most of the things will be said properly. So now let me just drill in and keep going. So now, as you can see, yesterday I said something about the OTE level, the gold is currently at the OTE level, and people never understood why I mean by that. And let me simply show how or what I meant by that and the reason why price was held at that level. So now let me take my fib level, mark it from the low that was made, which was here around 2879, which was made during 10th March 2025. So, yeah, so now if I pull my fib to the top, you could see similar things, but I think I need to do certain changes on my fib levels in order to show you guys what I actually mean. So I have to reverse the fib levels. So now if I have kindly reversed the fib levels, then you could see that the fib levels, and it comes the ultimate trade entry. We normally target from the 0.6 to 0.7, but me, based on one or two conditions, I use 0.61 and 0.71. And now we could see that, let me drill in. And now we could see that the whole level, this was 0.71 and the 0.6 we could see that the price was able to just wake the 0.61 and was held. And at the same time too, it failed to break structure, and which is meant by, let's say, market structure shift (MSS). So now, as you can see, we've gotten a market structure shift on the 4 hour time frame to continue the buys. So now, all I'm saying is that, first of all, based on the trading statements and other things that we get information to get going with it, what we normally do. So now I'm just alleging everybody to buy the pullbacks and wait and let me show some specific zones that is likely to get price there. Then we manage to buy during that time. And bear in mind that we also have CPI news during the trading day, so we have to make our stop loss very tight and close to us, and always make sure the risk to reward is always on point. So now let me just wrap everything up based on you're already riding. Wait a moment, guys. We're already riding 1,207 pips. So let's just keep it in mind and try to buy the pullbacks, as I've already said. And the zones that we should keep in mind to be buying the pullbacks are simple. Now we could see a very strong support at the golden ratio of the fib extension that I made on the daily time frame, which was around the which was made around the 3033, which was the 1.61 level of the FIB extension that I did on the higher time frame, which is normally the gateway of the, or let's say the normal actual direction of the of the chart. So now, as for what I was saying, so now this tends to hold as a support for us in order to be looking for buys. Yeah, this zone is there for us to be in order to be looking for buys. This zone and the gold and the other zone, which is the two on the FIB extension, which is 3.069. Yeah, these are the zones that we have to keep our eyes up to and look for buys. And if price manages to do the other things, so let's say price fails to follow the plan, I will drop a message, or let's say I'll be with you. I'm always with you guys in my channel, so you just be active in the channel and look for updates so that we keep going and keep printing the cash. Me, I always say that so far as the first day that Trump won the election, I said to myself, bro, this is the time that we have to keep making money. Because this thing has happened before, and it's not normally that not happen like that. So if we get a chance like we have to make a good use of it. Right now we could see the dollar is very weak now, so we have to just keep our eyes open and keep doing what we do best. Okay, so now let's just be patient and see what the day has for us. You know how we do it, guys. We keep it low, we execute it without fear, then we take the cash home. Yeah. Love you all, guys. Stay blessed.